My name is Trey Hetzer. I've been coming to LifeQuest for about 8 months, and I started coming because I have epilepsy. So I went 4 months without a seizure, and that was my longest span while I was going to LifeQuest. It helped with my training as well because I don't have to miss as much swimming. So I've gotten a lot faster in the water. I love that whenever I go, I'm always greeted with a smile, and I can always leave happy. Even if I came and I was upset, I'm always going to be happy whenever I go. Actually, I think I have 2 hidden gems. One is the Normatec compression socks. I can use that when I'm done with a workout. I can go to LifeQuest and it really helps with my recovery. And the other hidden gem's probably the knee adjustments. I have some knee pain a lot, and it's really nice to be able to get my knee adjusted.